Today we will know about the Indian flag, symbol of unity and freedom. On August 15, 1947, India was finally broke free from the chains of colonial rule, and the tricolor was hosted for the first time as a free nation. The Indian flag, with its vibrant colors and symbolism, evokes a sense of pride, patriotism, and reverence in the heart of every Indian. In the Indian flag of India, the top band is of saffron color, indicating the strength and courage of country. The white middle band indicates peace and truth with Dharma Chakra. The last band is green in color, which shows the fertility, growth, and auspiciousness of the land. On 15th of August, our flags unfurls across the nation. It is a time to reflect on the struggles, achievements of our freedom fighters and the ongoing journey towards a better future. Our flag is not merely a piece of cloth. It is a representation of the spirit and testament to the human spirit that shines for our freedom, unity, and progress. I am proud to be an Indian.